the simple signal that helps you trade smarter. Ever looked at a price chart and thought, when am I supposed to buy? Or worse, why does it always seem like I'm late? You're not alone. For most new traders, the hardest part isn't spotting opportunity, it's knowing when to act. Markets can look random, confusing, even chaotic, but what if I told you there's a rhythm behind the madness? Here's the secret most people miss. Markets move in cycles, just like the seasons. They rise, peak, pull back, and start all over again. And the key turning point in every cycle is called the cycle low, that moment when selling pressure dries up and the market starts gearing up for its next big move. If you can spot those lows early, you're not chasing anymore, you're leading. Cleaner entries, less emotion, more confidence. And that's exactly what the Camel Finance Cycle Low Indicator was built for. It automatically finds and plots those critical lows in real time. So even a beginner can see where the market might be turning without needing years of experience or complex chart work. So how does it work? It runs right inside your TradingView chart, powered by an algorithm built from a unique collaboration between Camel Finance, a respected trading educator with over 30,000 followers on YouTube, and Variance Technologies, a team of developers who specialize in algorithmic systems. Together, they took Camel's proven manual trading method and transformed it into a rules-based algorithm that automatically spots daily, weekly, and even yearly cycle lows. You'll see clear visual markers showing past lows and even future timing windows that help you prepare before the next big opportunity. It's like having an experienced trader sitting right next to you, pointing to the exact areas on the chart that matter most. And the best part? You can start using it from day one. The visuals are clean, the setup is simple, and you'll immediately start seeing how markets move in rhythm. And it's not just theory. Traders all over the world are using it every day. Take Hugo, for example. He used to spend hours counting market cycles by hand. After switching to the indicator, he discovered it matched his own analysis 90% of the time, saving him hours while confirming his decisions. Then there's Icy Boy, a tactical trader who uses 4-hour signals inside the daily cycle window to enter early, layering in positions and potentially doubling his opportunity without extra risk. Or David, a day trader who uses the indicator on 5-minute charts to spot intraday bottoms, even when other tools like RSI send false signals. Whether it's crypto, stocks, gold, or Forex, traders are applying it across all markets and timeframes to bring structure and clarity to their decision-making. But this isn't just an indicator. It's an entire learning ecosystem. You get access to training courses that teach the core principles of cycle trading, a private community of traders to collaborate with, and a fast, responsive support team that's always there to help. You're not trading alone. You're part of a network built around education, clarity, and confidence. So if you're tired of guessing and ready to trade with more structure and confidence, this is where your journey starts. To follow the daily cycle updates and market breakdowns directly from the source, watch Camel Finance's YouTube channel at youtube.com/@CamelFinance. Remember, trading isn't about predicting the future. It's about understanding the rhythm of the market and acting when the time is right.